Do you know who is advertising on your product pages? There's a lot of advertising spots on a product page. There's the, sponsored products, there's sponsored display ads that will show up. There's other kind of like product placements like frequently bought together, etc. All of these are interesting to look at to see maybe and keep track of, hey, who is showing up on your page? Maybe you need to return them the favor and start advertising on their page. Well, the way you can do that, here I have Essential Candy product page. This is with somebody else in our Scale Story series. And I can see stuff here. Here's some sponsored display ads that are showing up. There's some frequently bought together. There's tons of products related to this item down here. There's just tons of product placements all over. How would you like to be able to see what these products are selling and what their ASINs are? And maybe download these ASINs and instantly put them into another, PPC product targeting campaign. Well, all you have to do is run Xray on the product page itself, and all of those products that are showing up here are going to be in this list. I can see their sales, I can see their price, and then I can export this to a file in order to make some advertising campaigns. Or maybe I just want to save this file like once a week or once a month and then look back on it. All right, who has been consistently advertising on my page? Who fell off? All right, what new players are there in the market? This is a great, easy, instant way that you can only do with Helium 10 in order to track who is advertising on your page.